Hi, and welcome to our room and property tour of Townplace Suites in Boone, North Carolina. I'm Christy Evers, travel advisor and owner of Happily Evers After Vacations. Don't forget to like and subscribe to your favorite channel, which is this one. Now let's get going and see what Townplace Suites has to offer. Conveniently located at the intersection of Meadowview Drive and Blowing Rock Road, Townplace Suites is only about 30 minutes from Grandfather Mountain and the wilderness-run Alpine Coaster. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, look at that guy go. All right, now it's our turn. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. And it is, woohoo! Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. This is amazing. Okay, all right. Enough of the fun. Now we need to go back to the hotel, where there's a nice fire pit and grilling area, a cozy and welcoming lobby. So let's go check out the room. You'll see right away there's a nice kitchenette with a toaster, coffee maker, microwave, full refrigerator, dishwasher, little sink, even a small burner, all the conveniences of home, and a nice little table as well. Okay, so now my daughter is going to do the hotel bed test. All right, Ella, give it a try. Tell me how comfy it is.
Okay.
All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we got?
Okay, this, great.
All right.
Okay, but now I have to add in the pillows.
Pillows? They look comfy.
They are not as, sinking as the last hotel, but they are still definitely comfortable.
All right.
So out of a 1 to 10, solid 7 or 8.
So, all right, thank you. Feel like a VIP with a personalized TV. They do have a small pantry in the lobby area, but if you need more than what they have to offer, don't worry. There's literally a Walgreens steps away from the hotel, as well as shopping down the road. They do have a pool. However, because of COVID during the shooting, it wasn't open. They do also have a workout room, also not open at this time, so I just had to peek through the window. They do have a small business area, as well as meeting space for up to 10 people. In addition to wheelchair accessible rooms, they also have rooms for the hearing impaired as well. Breakfast is included at Townplace Suites. However, there are some changes during COVID where they have a brown paper bag breakfast that you can take back to your room. It has a lot of variety of different things: water, a granola bar, yogurt, orange, a spoon. So that's just a slight difference during these times, and also a microwavable biscuit. And great news for pet lovers, they are pet friendly as well. Some of the nearby attractions just down the road include gem mining, where we got some incredible rocks and crystals, a Native American artifacts museum that had some of the most arrowheads that I've ever seen in one place before, and axe throwing, something I've always wanted to try and finally got a chance to. Look at my daughter. Isn't she amazing? And probably the most unique attraction is Mystery Hill, where gravity seems to have a mind of its own, where water goes upstream and balls roll uphill. Check this out. Look at that. Uphill. Amazing. It's so much fun. You've got to check it out. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the area in Boone, North Carolina, and that you've enjoyed the property tour of Townplace Suites. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you can learn about other great destinations and attractions. Are you ready for your next adventure? Contact me at Happily Forever's After Vacations for your next vacation, retreat, or reunion. Happy travels!